Food review ng ano to, ng the
The best
favorite,
tapsilog.
the best tapsilog in the entire universe. Anong kan mo? How does it differentiate from the previous tapsilog? The same siya, no?
It's the same.
Huh? All these years?
Yeah. Consistent.
Consistent na sa this is the favorite na tapsilog. Today is Upkat Day, kaya punuan yung place, no? We have and according to Hana, it's the same taste, no? all these years.
According to you pala.
Me, hindi ko pa natikman eh. Iba kasi top silog before eh. Na